everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all guys are doing well. So in today's video I'm going to share a no foundation summer proof makeup which gonna last for a long time. So if you want to know how to get that look, then please keep on watching, and before moving on, make sure you have subscribed to my channel if you haven't yet. And to subscribe, you'll get a red subscribe button down below. Press that, and also with the bell icon which is next to it, so that you will get notifications whenever I upload a new video. So without wasting more time, let's begin. So first you need to apply some makeup primer. Makeup primer helps you to minimize your pores and also helps you to last your makeup for a long time. And today I'm using this Lakme Blur Perfect makeup primer and blend it nicely all over my face. Next step is totally optional. If you don't want to do this, then you don't need to do this, but I really like to hide the dark circles and the pigmentations around my mouth area, so I'm using a color corrector. This one is orange color corrector from NY, and this blends so nicely with the help of my fingers only. I don't need any beauty blender to blend it. Next, I'm not using any foundation or any BB cream or CC cream. I'm just using this concealer. This one is from Wet n Wild India, and apply it all over the places where I like to conceal and highlight. I'm not going to apply this all over my face, and gently blend it out. It gives me the illusion that I had enough amount of sleep last night, and it looks so fresh and healthy on my skin. Next, I'm setting all over my face with Blue Heaven loose powder so that my concealer stick to my skin for a long time and doesn't bleed due to the heat and humidity out there. Then I'm using these two lip crayons from Lakme as my blush and my eyeshadow, and I'm not using any powder product for my eyes cause powder eyeshadows on eyes tend to bleed so easily, but when you apply a cream product, it stays onto your skin so nicely for a good quality of time. So first I'm applying this peachy nude color on my crease area, and second I'm using this pink color on my entire eyelid and just blend it with my finger, and it blends so nicely. Then I'm taking a waterproof eyeliner. This one is from Avon, and I'm just drawing a sharp wing on my both side eyes and try to make them perfect as far as possible for me. Then taking this colossal kajal from Maybelline and just apply it on my lower waterline and smudge it so that the moisture in the kajal fades away and it gets stick to my lower waterline for a long time. And further I'm applying a dark brown eyeshadow and apply on the kajal so that it doesn't gonna bleed due to the humidity and heat outside. Then apply generous amount of waterproof mascara. It helps my lashes long more thicker and longer, and it gonna open up my eyes even more. Next, with the empty one, I'm just combing up my brows so that they look naturally thick and bushy. And then I'm just taking that pink color again and apply it all over my cheeks as the flush of color on my cheeks. It looks so natural and healthy on my skin, and blend it with the help of a fluffy blush brush. And I really live for highlighter. If you don't want to do this, then you can skip this again, but I really live for highlighter, so I'm applying this in color highlighter all over the high points of my face, including inner corners of my eyes and brow bone. And now it's time for a lipstick. I'm using this one. This is from the Makeup Story by Shy Styles in shade 01 Rani, and it's such a beautiful pink color. And lastly, I'm applying some makeup fixer to lock my makeup on the places. So I'm using this one from Wet n Wild India. And yeah, I'm done with my look. This one is my finished look. And yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys liked this video and found this video helpful. If you did, then don't forget to give this video a big fat thumbs up. And I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.